So Adrian over there was like, let's tune your car, pal. I have these laying around, and I have these, so we're about to tune it on E85. They're GK Tech 2.5 inch, and I'm gonna replace them for a Z1 3-inch carbon fiber intake.
Right there, look. Oh, he was taking your blood too, dog. I didn't think it was gonna shoot.
As you can see, Adrian and I are pretty quick. That's real time, by the way, so don't think it's sped up. This is where I realized that I couldn't throw on my 3-inch intakes just because I didn't have anything to drum out the core support, so we put the GK Techs back on and we just sent it like that. I didn't know how hard it was to work on a car and record. I'm not really used to it yet, so I just finished everything up. Adrian's in there putting on a little base mop. We're gonna kill the gas and then we're gonna go put some E85 in. Look who showed up 10 hours later. What's up, dude?
He's gonna edit this part.
What do you need? Why is everybody recording me?
Hurry up!
Connect it.
Hurry up.
Cable. They say that I don't know how to connect it. Sorry for being careful with stuff that isn't mine.
You don't know how to connect it.
Hey, this.
It's further to the left. It's further to the left,
Hey,
bro.
It's to the right.
I'm used to my Z, alright?
It's further to the left.
To the left. Or left, like.
Hey, I've done it on my Z, not on here.
Do you even know where it's at?
Shit. Where is it at?
It's been like 2 minutes already, dude. Come on.
Ah, dude, I'm running out of fucking memory.
Are you still gonna tune them?
I don't know if you can get it in time. I kind of have to go.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, bro. It's late.
Can you hurry up?
I'm just have to get off because I don't know where it's at.
Get a little further under there.
Ooh, let me get my hat.
Hold on. What happened, Adrian? Can you...
So, unfortunately with Jay, we have an unknown ECU version. Means this is one of the first times this car's ever been tuned, like this ECU, right? I gotta dump the ROM, the information of the ECU, send it to ECU Tech. They'll crack it, make a file, and then send it to me in like 2 to 3 weeks.
So it's locked?
Basically. No, not that it's locked, it's just it's never been, this type of ECU's never been tuned before.
So you do that with everybody?
No. You just...
So it's the next day already. We didn't really get to finish the tune because there's still 91 in my tank. We tried our best to get rid of it, but can only do so much with what we had. So we're gonna see what this car can do. We did a couple pulls yesterday and it felt pretty good, but I was spinning. My tires are lacking. I have something cooking. I did not plan on modding this car. I have all the stock parts for it. Literally was piecing everything up to put this car 100% bone stock and just enjoy it. Oh well, we sent it, and now plans have changed. 350 Nismo it's gonna be boosted soon. I needed something reliable too. I have the 4Runner still, but I don't like to drive that car. It's a boat. It's a boat. Throttle response is so much better. Just drivability overall feels better. I need to get a new fucking camera setup or something, because driving with one hand and recording with the other is not it for sure. F that. God damn.
You might spin a little, but don't worry.
Oh yeah, you need that little.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.